Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming hardware and clearing blocking issues. First, make sure your Asus has a functioning fingerprint sensor or plug in a supported USB reader. This prevents wasted steps. Once done, update Windows and Asus drivers so the sensor appears in Device Manager. Next, set a local PIN in Accounts. Windows uses the PIN to secure biometric keys. Now open Settings and navigate to sign-in options. You're ready to begin fingerprint enrollment, so proceed to the sensor setup. You'll now enroll Fingerprint step by step. Click Windows Hello Fingerprint and choose Setup. Follow the on-screen prompts and tap the sensor gently each time. This captures edges and center for consistent recognition. Make sure to vary finger placement and angle so the system builds a comprehensive template. Once the first finger is complete, add another finger for redundancy, because sensors fail less when you have backups. When you finish, lock and unlock once to test. This confirms the template saved correctly. Finish by testing multiple scenarios: lock screen unlock, sign in after sleep, and Windows Hello in apps. If recognition fails, first delete the saved fingerprints and re-enroll. Small changes in pressure help. If problems persist, reinstall the sensor driver from Asus, run Windows Update, and reboot. Also make sure TPM and biometric settings aren't blocked in Group Policy or BIOS. If you get stuck, try another finger or an external reader. This isolates hardware versus software issues and gets you back to security.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.